Yeah, hi Lasse, it's Mark at FMAV. This is number 6. Number 6 has had a spindle motor change, and the top of the transport part there has been changed to the spindle, the part that holds the CD on. So I've replaced that for you, and of course a brand new laser. So we'll play that up for you now. They've been on test, each one of these have been on test for over an hour without any faults. So this is like obviously number 6, well, 27th of April. So turn that one off, we'll put another one on there for you. As you can see, it all works, it goes straight in without any problems. So it's number 6. Thank you very much, Les. Thank you.